This 2019 Palomino Puma Unleashed 373 QSI is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Palomino is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, DVD player, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, stove top burner, external shower, Colorado detector, slide-out, smoke detector, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Palomino Puma Unleashed 373 QSI is 10,166 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.